Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. Guys, this episode, what in the Tom and Jerry were we watching in this episode, guys? I mean, a shame personally, Jaja, because that scene between Uthembi Nkosi and Usiatela, guys, what is going on? Hi, Ngeke. But anyway, guys, one of the first things we see in this episode is when Malum Kunene, he decides to go back Gogo Kasiatela to go and apologize. I think that was a very humble thing for him to do. But at this point, guys, it doesn't make a difference. Because even if only send Usiatela on his behalf, he's going to go and say disrespect people, do the same things. So what's the point of even apologizing? But I get it, Ugutu, maybe Umalum Kunene, he feels responsible. Uguti, he's the one who was leading the meeting the last time, and the last time things did not end well. So I guess he's feeling responsible. Uguti, he must come as uxolisa kugogo indlela things ended the last time. But anyway, ugogo is adamant ukuthi lalelani lana. I'm not accepting any sort of apology on behalf of Usiatela, because Usiatela, when he was here the last time, he swore at me, and so it is what it is. Ugogo is adamant ukuthi yena she akafuni next to do what Usiatela. Guys, I said this in my previous review, right? I get that Usiatela has been disrespectful towards his granny, but I feel Ugogo is making Usiatela pay in some sort of way for Ubabu Dlamuga's sins. Because every time Ubabu Dlamuga's name comes out, like today, or that day when they were there to uxoxa into kaSiyacela. So I don't understand ukuthi Ubaba Dlamuga, why is his name coming up? Do you understand what I'm saying? If they want to address Ubaba Dlamuga, what he did, what he didn't do, I think that should be a separate meeting. But this is about her grandchild, and I don't like the fact that she keeps bringing Ubaba Dlamuga's name up. And she says, Ukulokuzano, because Ukunene came with Umamkulu. Ugogo says to Mamkulu, that unezinto that your husband has done, he has done that I know of, that wena as the wife, as umamkhulu, you don't know nothing about. But it's just that angifuni ngihlambalaza in front of the whole world, so angeke ngizixoxe lezo zinto. But we know ukuthi ugogo was adamant ukuthi ubaba uDlamuga, he was a very cruel man, edlala ngemithi, edlala kabi ngemithi, edlala ngengane zabantu. So I'm just like, why though must Ubabu Dlamuga? It's like she has a grudge on Ubabu Dlamuga. And we know even when Ubabu Dlamuga was still alive, they were not on good terms. And now she's continuing that, but somehow Usiatela is suffering for that as well. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying I feel like Ukoko needs to separate these two things, because they are not the same things. At some points, guys, ezinye izinto uyayenzela ingane, because so sizela yena, because one day uzoshiya lo mhlaba. So just do the right thing. I know Siyacela's disrespectful, but I just wish ukuthi ugogo can just do the right thing, amkhulule, so he can go and do whatever he wants to do, so that she is not the reason why uSiyacela, or part of the reason why izinto zikaSiyacela zingaphumeleli. She must just do it for her late daughter at this point. But anyway, umamkhulu in her diary session, she says ukuthi this thing kaSiyacela lento ayenzayo is it's a childish thing to do. But anyway, uSiyacela is at that age to do things. He's stageless. Ngathi cha mamkhulu, akusona stageless. uSiyacela kudala edlulile kwi-stage. This is not his stage. Stop making excuses for him. Kodwa umamkhulu does say ukuthi yithina esibadala who's supposed to show him indlela. I feel like it's even late ukhombisa uSiyacela indlela, because in his head uyindoda ngeke azwe ngani at this point. There's nothing you guys can do. The only thing you can do ukuthi kutshela umuntu iqiniso enzele, even if things don't go right in their life, they know ukuthi bayatshelwa, so that they don't say ukuthi yo life ended up like this. Kodwa I had abo mama and they didn't tell me the truth. They need to tell Siyatala the truth of the path that he's taking, and the rest is up to him because he's a grown man at this point. Hey guys, nibonile cleavage kagogo. Hey, leya cleavage is leyami. I was like, Gogo, what was she doing? Angazi ukuthi bekakhipha amaringi out of emabeleni or something like that. Wakhohlwa-ke ukuvala iphinifa or something like that. Ngathi Gogo, amabele amahle kanje. Anyway, guys, next scene game, we see Uthando. Uthando usekamereni lakhe. She is painting her nails. She's calling uSiyatala because she wants to have a discussion noSiyatala ukuthi why Siyatala uye emhlangeni, whereas isivumelwano sami nawe is that you will only go emhlangeni mhla you've built me a house. Guys, at this point, my question is, does Uthando really think ukuthi uSiyatala uzomakhela? Because Uthando ubambele kuleya nto ukuthi Siyatala cala ungakhele indlu yami enzele nami ibhokisi lami lizongena khona. In uSiyatala kanawandaba, guys, about that house. And Uthando, it looks like she's still holding or she has some hope ukuthi Siyatala is gonna do that. Asazi, guys, we will see. In the conversation that they have about the fact of uSiyatala going to emhlangeni, uSiyatala was like, no, I was not there to pick a wife. I was bengiyobona nje bengiyogeza amehlo izinto ezinjalo. But uSiyatala says, listen, in his diary station, he says, ngeke mina ngilalela umuntu wesifazane. Hey, yimina indoda, yimina okumele ngigcine. Cabanga, uyibonisa kanjani indoda that has that mentality? But Uthando tells uSiyatala ukuthi phela Siyatala, you saying ukuthi wena you were just there out scouting. Phela uMashange, she posted a WhatsApp status, girls were all over you and all of that. And I just thought to myself, why would uMashange post a status that she probably got a TikTok or something like that? Posted on her status, and for Uthando to see, knowing that Uthando had came to them as abafazi bawadlamuka, telling them ukuthi she's not fine with the fact that uSiyatala uye emhlangeni because uSiyatala did not fulfill his part of the deal. So I was just like, guys, these Lamuka wives, it's like they telling Uthando indirectly ukuthi hey, ngeke sizwe ngawe wena umap othiwa lana. uSiyatala is going to do whatever you want to do. Velu Dlamuka, he used to behave like this. He did whatever what he wanted to do. So this is nothing out of the ordinary type of vibe. uSiyatala then says ukuthi hey Uthando, even if she can come here and speak indaba eziningi, Uthando uyazi ukuthi yena naye ekamereni ukuthi bazwana kahle nje. uSiyatala says ukuthi uyakwazi nje umduduza Uthando ngento yakhe. I'm just like, so uSiyatala is trying to brag, and he's trying to say ukuthi hey, even if Uthando can complain, but I know when it is that time for ucansi, I know ukuthi I do such a good job ukuthi ngiyamthulisa. Uthando, when she gets to hear that from one of the producers, she's like, hayibo phela mina angmazi omunye umfana, so there's nothing to compare Edward. Lokho enginikezwa kona ngiyamthatha mina, and I don't have experience to compare to say ukuthi vele lento engiyitholayo ukuthi it's there or if it's not there or not, because I don't have any other experience. This is all I know. I'm just like, hey, Nina, hey. Anyway, guys, then the last scene came. We see uLokuzana, uSiyatala, he decides to go and buy inkukhu, guys. He goes and buy chickens, and he is planning to meet up with uThembi Nkosi, right? Planning to meet up with uThembi Nkosi. He's saying ukuthi inkukhu is inhlawulo. So you know ukuthi vele uThembi Nkosi, he wants inhlawulo for many things, but uSiyatala laid hands on uThembi Nkosi, you guys. uSiyatala says vele ngimthengele inkukhu because inkukhu zimfanele. I'm not going to buy him kwambuzi kwankomo. No, he deserves chicken. So then when uSiyatala and uThembi Nkosi meet, uSiyatala is like, listen, ngikuphathele something. when uThembi Nkosi sees ukuthi siyacela umphathele inkukhu, yes guys, uThembi Nkosi is so irritated. He's like, ngizozenzani mina inkukhu? He takes the box, guys, inkukhu, I think there was like 4 or 5 chickens in there. He just tosses inkukhu across the road. I'm like, what did the chickens do to you, Thembi Nkosi? Now uThembi Nkosi ulahle Nando's, guys. Instead of throwing hands on uSiyacela, he is throwing the chickens. I'm just like, the poor chickens laphayana. Yo, uThembi Nkosi, guys, he was so irritated. I'm just like, why Thembi Nkosi is acting like a para, guys? He was acting like a para. And listen, there's a new word that Thembi Nkosi has learned, which is bro. Everything bro. Kanti Thembi Nkosi bonangaki. Yo, guys, I was just like, it was funny, but at the same time, I was feeling embarrassed on behalf of Uthando, because I'm just like, this man, he can't be willing to do such things just for a paycheck. Yagwa Moja love, guys. Ungakanani. That time he's acting as if he's acting worse than uSiyacela. He's busy saying, hey, mina, I didn't come all this way for umahala. Le nkukhu ngilethela zona. Ngizozenzani mina, ngizozenzani. While uSiyacela and uThembi Nkosi are busy arguing laphayana, the chickens there on the side of the road, guys, they were eating there. uSiyacela was right, you guys. He was right. Vele uThembi Nkosi, for this attitude and the behavior that is showing, hayi leza nkukhu zimfanele. Anyway, uThembi Nkosi is busy saying ukuthi yazi mina pro, phumekasi mina pro, ngizoglokuza ngizokushaya mina pro. I'm just like, yo, guys, hey, that time uSiyacela is just getting irritated. So I can see ukuthi uThembi Nkosi can see, because uSiyacela shame bekazipholele. So uThembi Nkosi could see ukuthi everything he's saying, it's not landing. It's not touching uSiyacela. Then he says ukuthi into engifuna ukuthi ungenzele yona Siyacela, ngifuna ukuthi wenze i-DNA between you and uLubanzi, because when I ubona ukuthi like leyangana ayifani now, yo guys, that's when you could see ukuthi that touched uSiyacela. He's busy saying leyangana ifana noNjabulo, kathi yabona uThembi Nkosi udinga ukushawa. Next season, I'm going to need uNjabulo to teach uThembi Nkosi a lesson, because I get ukuthi uThembi Nkosi wants to get to uSiyacela, but you can't be throwing uNjabulo's name every time. Bo guys, no. So anyway, uSiyacela, and next thing we see him nabangani bakhe ngathi bafuna ukukhipha isibhami or something like that, but they didn't end up taking it out. uThembi Nkosi says ukuthi vele bewuyisibhami, but uSiyacela did not take it out because he knows ukuthi this has been filmed, and obviously that's going to get the police on his case, and that's why he didn't take it out. But uSiyacela ends up deciding to jump in the car, guys, leaves uThembi Nkosi to act crazy like that. When uThembi Nkosi sees ukuthi bayahamba, uThembi Nkosi decides to go and stand in front of the car and say anehambila. When uSiyacela pushes, or when uSiyacela decides to drive off the car and kind of scare uThembi Nkosi like he uzomshayisa or something like that, now uThembi Nkosi yabaleka. Next thing uThembi Nkosi uphethe itini ufuna ukushaya imoto. Next thing uSiyacela iyaphuma nabangani bakhe bafuna ukushaya uThembi Nkosi yabaleka. I was just like, guys, like, for real, like, what in the Tom and Jerry was this that we were watching? Because I was just like, uThembi Nkosi, guys, uyadelela. And in his diary session, he goes on to say ukuthi angazi nina niyambona nawuthi ungakanani uSiyacela, nina menicabanga la menza angayenza ingando wamuntu, akamithisi uSiyacela. I'm just like, awuThembi Nkosi akanangqondo, guys. Maybe the fact that uZalo costed him as a security guard, angazi ukuthi did it go to his head, because this was like acting 101. I don't know what was going on, but uThembi Nkosi ngathi ukhunyiwe. It's like he smoked something, and I'm just like, this is the Thembi Nkosi. I mean, this is the real Thembi Nkosi. All along he likes acting matured and all of that. I'm like, this is him. Angazi ukuthi what was into him, guys, but I was just like, get him off our screens. Get him off our screens, because no, we call Siyacela already is too much for us. Now they want to bring uThembi Nkosi, and that time the producers bazithulele. They're not kuzaring him, they're leaving him like that because bafuna ini content, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Guys, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please do also make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.